going to be doing something really exhilarating and interesting. I am in Grand Junction at Next Level Regen, and they are an amazing place that has a few different types of therapy, and one of them is cryogenics. So you guys might know it's super duper cold, and there's a lot of health benefits. So I'm going to step in and we're just going to show you the whole process. So first thing you do, get completely undressed, and then you want to make sure your fingers and your toes are covered. So I'm going to step in here, and my friend Jen is behind the phone there, behind the camera. Here we go.
Hi.
We're raising up. She's going to make sure I'm all the way closed in here, and then you guys will get to see what it's like. I've been doing cryotherapy now. I think I started, like, my first session was maybe 6 weeks ago, maybe?
Yeah, probably 6 or 7 weeks.
6 or 7 weeks ago. And I've just been really curious about it. You guys do a little research on it because there's a lot of health benefits. And so I have been wanting to try it, and I was so excited when I found out there was a place here in Grand Junction that has cryotherapy. And they have some other modalities that we'll tell you about, like, later. But the cryotherapy, I'm not going up.
Yep.
Oh, do I have to close it? Oh,
yep.
Sorry.
Go ahead and close the door. You're fine.
I gotta close the door to go up, you guys. Oops. I'm coming. Don't leave. If you were on, say hello. Let me know if you have any questions, if you've ever wondered about cryotherapy, because Jen works here. Hi.
Hi.
And she's going to answer some questions for you. I'm coming. We're raising up. Slowly, slowly. So they raise you up in here so that your head is, of course, above. Because why is that? What would happen if my head were in here, Jen? I'm just going to
Well, on this machine,
can you raise me a tiny bit? Can I see? Can you see me okay?
yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to.
Sorry, we're manipulating here to get me up just a tiny bit higher so I can be sure that I can see all you guys. So I can't obviously see your comments, so I will come back and watch afterwards and answer any questions anybody has. So if you missed the very first part, I am in a cryogenic machine. So we are going to do, I'm doing what's called thermocontrast. We're going to have 40 seconds of heat, 70 seconds of cold. And how cold does it get, Jen?
This one will get you about -278, 292 in the chamber.
So the first time I did this, I was super scared because I do not like cold. Like cold water, cold showers, I absolutely hate it. But there's something about the cryogenics that I love. It's different than like being in a cold shower. It's still really cold, like, but it's does something to your body that it just kind of stimulates and I think causes your body to create its own endorphins. And Jen's getting it ready to go here. And then while I'm in here, we're going to ask Jen some questions about the health benefits of it.
Great. Are you ready, Laura?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
I think. Oh.
Right.
So one great thing about when you do this is that there's always someone here to talk to you. So it helps the time to go a little bit faster. Right now, it's blowing hot air on me. So heating the body up a little bit, which I like doing this because contrasting hot and cold is good for your health too. So Jen, can you talk to them a little bit about like what are some of the main health benefits of cryogenics?
Sure. With cryotherapy, the main health benefits are to help reduce pain and inflammation. It especially helps people who have chronic inflammation in their bodies from issues like rheumatoid arthritis in general, but also it's really great for people who are very outdoorsy and like to work out because it really helps with muscle recovery. What it does is it creates very oxygenated blood with good clean oxygen, protein and enzymes that our body needs, and it disperses it throughout the body. And right now, Laura is now going into the cold part of this session.
So So have I been saying, is cryogenics when you freeze a body? Like, have I been saying the wrong thing?
Yeah, just cryotherapy.
You guys, it's not cryogenics, it's cryotherapy. Whoops. So it's really cold right now. So you can move around in this, which I think helps a little bit. Sometimes I put my hands in my armpits, which warms the body a little bit. And I like to just like move my feet a little bit.
Yep, because you want to make sure that you don't lock your knees in there. You want to make sure you're moving around. If you have parts of your body that maybe have more pain, inflammation, old injuries, or current injuries that you're healing from, they get a little bit colder.
So what I have noticed, I had both of my knees replaced. So one of my first questions was, can I do this? Because I have like artificial joints. And definitely you can. And it's been really beneficial to me. I have one of my knees, after I work out, like if I do squats and leg exercises, it's usually a little swollen. And I was icing my knees, you know, every time I would work out. And I don't need to do that when I do this, because it immediately helps with the inflammation in joints and different parts of your body. And I do feel like I recover more quickly. Like this morning I lifted weights, and on the days where I do this after I've lifted, definitely I think there's less muscle soreness, and I think less fatigue. I think that might have to do with the endorphins that your body like produces with the extreme cold. And so my first month I did an unlimited membership, and I think I was coming in like 4 days a week. Like seriously,
Yeah.
It's a little like addictive. Like I'm like, I gotta go back. It feels so good, which really shocked me because I thought I would hate it, because I hate like cold showers, cold water. But this is different because it's just cold air, so it feels different on your body. Do you want to share with them anything else, Jen, about, or are there any questions that you can see that we could answer?
I don't see too many questions popping up right now, but it is, like Laura said, it is really great for recovery, especially from workouts. And it really helps take away that inflammation. Your soreness time is drastically decreased. Which is awesome, because that means that you can get right back into the gym, hit your workouts hard, and it also helps with that muscle recovery, so that eventually if you are wanting to lift more weights or run more miles or cycle more miles or whatever your fitness goals might be, it helps you to reach them quicker, because your muscles can recover and can handle the additional stress that you're going to be placing them on.
Yes, and it's getting cold again. So you guys, if you want to try this Thursday from 11 to 1, we are doing an open house here at Next Level Regen, and you can come in and you can try the cryotherapy, see for yourself. If nothing else, it's a great fun experience, but it's really, really good for your health. And come meet them. Jen is awesome, Brent is awesome. They're all so great and knowledgeable. So come stop 11 to 1. We're having an open house, and you can actually sign up to like do some of the sessions, and we'll put that link in the comments. And I am freezing, so we're gonna say goodbye.
Thanks, Laura. And like Laura said, you can sign up on Thursday morning. We will be starting at 11 to 1 o'clock. It is $25 to come and try all of our modalities, so we look forward to seeing you then.
Goodbye.